Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can transfer money or cryptocurrency from your crypto.com to your Phantom wallet. So first thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app and then click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. After that, from the screen, you have to click on this crypto wallet option, and on the screen you will be able to see all of your cryptocurrency that you currently have in your account. Now from here, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. So I will just select the Bitcoin from here, and then on the screen have to click on this transfer button, and from this pop-up window click on withdraw, and then another pop-up window will open up. From here click on external wallet, and then on the screen have to tap on this area add wallet address, and then you can just simply add your wallet address in this area. First you have to make sure you have selected the right network that you want to use. Then open up your Phantom wallet and then click on this receive button, and from here select Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency that you want to receive. In our case we are transferring Bitcoin, so I will just select Bitcoin from here, and then you just have to click on this wallet address and your wallet address will be copied. Then go back to your crypto.com app and paste your wallet address in this area, and then enter your wallet name and click on continue, and then your wallet address will be added here. All you need to do is click on this withdraw button right next to your wallet address, then click on confirm and withdraw, and then you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on withdraw. And lastly, confirm your details, make sure your wallet address and the network type is correct, and then click on confirm, and then just lastly enter your passcode. And once you do that, your crypto or money will be transferred from crypto.com to your Phantom wallet. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.